Asking for and following directions. Learn how to ask, understand, and follow directions in English.
Excuse me? Could you help me, please?
Sure. What can I do for you?
I'm trying to find Maple Cafe. Do you know where it is?
Yes, I can help. First, do you have a map or a phone with GPS?
I have a small paper map, but I'm not sure how to read it.
No problem. Let me point it out for you. See this sketch of the street?
Yes, I see Pine Street, Oak Avenue, and Main Road here.
Good. Maple Cafe is on Main Road, but you need directions.
Great. Please tell me step by step.
All right, start here at Pine Street and Oak Avenue intersection.
Okay, that's where we are now.
From here, go straight down Pine Street for 3 blocks.
3 blocks straight on Pine Street. Got it.
Then, you'll reach a big traffic light at the 3rd intersection.
Big traffic light at the 3rd intersection. Right?
Exactly. When you see the traffic light, turn right onto Main Road.
Turn right onto Main Road at the traffic light.
Yes, after you turn, walk straight for 2 more blocks.
2 blocks straight on Main Road.
You'll see Maple Cafe on your left, next to the bookstore.
On my left, next to the bookstore. Perfect.
And there's also a bus stop in front of the cafe.
Bus stop in front of the cafe. Okay.
If you reach the intersection with Elm Street, you've gone too far.
Intersection with Elm Street means I passed it. Then I should go back?
Yes, go back 1 block. Maple Cafe will be on your right.
Got it. If I pass Elm Street, go back 1 block and it's on the right.
Exactly. Anything else you'd like to know?
Is the crosswalk safe there? I have my bike with me.
Yes, the crosswalk at Main Road and Pine Street has a pedestrian signal.
Pedestrian signal. That's helpful. And is the sidewalk wide?
It's about 2 meters wide, enough for walking and a small bike.
Great. I can ride slowly on the sidewalk then.
Also, there's a bike rack in front of the cafe entrance.
A bike rack. That's perfect.
So, to recap, start here, go straight on Pine Street for 3 blocks.
3 blocks straight.
Turn right at the traffic light onto Main Road.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Walk 2 blocks, and the cafe is on the left next to the bookstore.
2 blocks left next to the bookstore.
Bus stop and bike rack in front. Don't pass Elm Street.
Got it. Map in hand and directions clear. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee at Maple Cafe.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye.